traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 19th, and this is my recap of the top 5 videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, man, all the dollar pairs just continued the trend, and I believe we are in a wave 3 on the very, very high time frames like the weekly and monthly, and that's why I've really been trying to emphasize so much lately the importance of trading with the trend, because this morning I totally admit that I thought this was going to go down, up, and then down again, make a bigger, more proper looking pullback before it actually ended up continuing the uptrend. But I also said that I will not be shorting it. Every move to the downside I see, I do not short, but instead I get excited about when I see counter trend moves, because those are the areas where I will be looking to get long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So now we're closing above the 78% on the daily time frame. Gives me even more confidence that the trend is up and that the trend is not over. I personally would not try to go long now. I would only go long on pullbacks. So whatever it does next, I don't really care if it makes just a little teeny pullback and keeps going up, or if it makes a more bigger, proper ABC pullback and goes up. Either way, I am definitely only looking to go long, and I'm only going to go long on pullbacks. I'm definitely not looking to short any of the dollar pairs anytime soon. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.